Kiko, you're a beast.
High as a cat, never sober. Shut Python, hit him with a cobra. Free up my bro Casanova. Free him a bad man persona. Bad man alone can control her. Sorry, your sis got bent over. Pushing my hood tech anaconda. Throw back like Ed Hardy. Stay fly, I'm high like Jeff Hardy. Work wet like the tsunami. Big Russ, fuck up that punani. Pum pum, turn up, I hit that. Fuck the tip and she bottle out. Bust my in the girl like. Pum pum, wet up everything.
I got more than $1 million in savings, but you can still get shaven. If I ever get caught by the pagans, like my night just waving. In my best life, like I'm on Asen. With my face, love the altercation, but with my shank, that's a combination. Gal with a big back's my weakness, but when I punch, man, it's grievous. Let's play back the CCTV. When I banged him, my defense said Jesus. All my brothers got a ball like the Lakers. Every time I see an arch, what the fuck? Every time I see the arch, it's amazing. Me and Ross like Freddie and Jason. Man, I'm still up on the roads, could have left. Still chatting to my bros on the tech. Fuck that, man, I don't give a F. What you wanna get? Smoke cigarette?
English girl named Fiona. African girl Adiola. Body yoddy shaped like cola. Back up, here come closer. My man, he's too innocent.
Free big A, he's too militant.
They mention us just to get relevant.
Rusty, you ain't come by millions.
Wizzy get Philip on any. She know us already from Keisha and Becky. Head, chest, neck, back, I don't mind belly. Arm them ready, green light, get Shelly.
Little citizen, hitting them, diligent, sticking them. None of my niggas are innocent. On site, man, I just stringing them. Come far, but I still finish him. Body yoddy like Megan Thee Stallion.
Rush and Wizzy, that's another platinum.
Copy, ops, copy, demand them.
Pull up on who, man, bust off
man,
my
I still up on
anthem.
the road.
010 in the field with a football, low 15 in the field with a Rambo. Ring, that's life in a bando. My trap full of dance like tango. The YGs don't get no recess, got the up boys don't stitch like Randall. Just cut off a 4.5, man's dishing out feel like Nando's. They're trying to put me in a Riz. Oh yeah, you will alright. Two of them manually put in a split, let me show YG how to build that right. From a young age, man's whipping and locking, so my wrist come tight. They know man's reppin', nice, I'm stuck in the trap with the green and white.
You don't want war with us, cause you can be put on the shell like a rising. I can't wait for the show, so hope that I blow. So swimming them out to punchlines like Tyson. Tell a boy don't like Bryson, slapping it off like bat like Brian. I need me a queen like lightning, so do what I say like Simon. It's K7 in the trap, man, I ready this beat, man, I rap high, that's a TKO. Give a man out attack when I jump out the 4-door, whip them, he lev out toe. Tell a man pack them, smoking the spit till I out of this world like a UFO. My exes never held my shank, had to cross them out like tic-tac-toe.
Nah, you don't need real lies to realize that they tell real lies. Another man got hospitalized for the lies that he told on my A9 guys. Got I nearly extinct like a T-Rex, really trying to put him in the sky. MZ's 5'6", but he give a man tribal marks, don't talk about size. Those get pop, same way that we pop champagne when we touch 1 milli. Pop them dossier up, get touched by the gang, same way that we touch 1 milli. I stung no B when we slid to the B, me and bro like chunks in Philly. Hop in the ride, get a buzz, no light, yeah, really trying to go on them rides like Woody.
Yo, when the Siri don't slide to the beat, but we slide round there, broad day. I'm in love with the brown skin babe, same thick with their body. Shorty, if I shoot my shot like a fadeaway, you can blow my wrist like a day for play. Now let it pop in your breast and back of the man, baby. We get round there, no more, the sport that's foot to the floor, don't know about bricks. I'm words, my bro ace, we step, watch your block vibrate. But big when I come on a bougie team, but I like when the bun that shakes. But I still hop out the ride and jump, man, and I want dance in your head like Drake.
Jump out gang. Strapped up in a Zuby, your homie, time to a pack, key up in a zoo. So that we clutching my niggas, they busting them bullets, they coming straight out of that roof. Push bikes and things, we hanging it off for the ped. Hop out and shoot, you know it's a mission. We dodging these piggies, they watching the way that we move. Watch the way that I lick shots. G-wing or that C-wing, slice it up like it's crisscross. We in the trap with them big rocks. Out of town getting trappy, call me sauce, so I flip rocks. The rollie glided on TikTok. Free the guys, they can't stop clocks.
Bet so we can't talk violence, it's all I know, I'm a dealer. I didn't make no tunes for dance, I met bangers for killer. Fell in love with the 12 gauge thing, but bro fell in love with the 6-shot spinner. Go halves on a vegan dish if I catch him, bro finish him for dinner. I can count what's left of the gang on my hands, but can't crew still catch bodies. Bro do normal stabbings, push it away, man, do that properly. Bang like Rocky, slide like hockey, I met man shocky. Only had one bell in the chamber and made man's head back shit like Noddy. Bro bang me, drop out, load it up and make they still beat like bangles. And the estate bros got an angle off like the brag, trying to show man angles. Catch him, grab him, swipe his ankles. Posing and out, man, stop 2 hands on his neck like a mango strangle. Tryna hold back that blood was shambles.
Strapped up in a Zuby, your homie, time to a pack, key up in a zoo. So that we clutching my niggas, they busting them bullets, they coming straight out of that roof. Push bikes and things, we hanging it off for the ped. Hop out and shoot, you know it's a mission. We dodging these piggies, they watching the way that we move. Watch the way that I lick shots. G-wing or that C-wing, slice it up like it's crisscross. We in the trap with them big rocks. Out of town getting trappy, call me sauce, so I flip rocks. The rollie glided on TikTok. Free the guys, they can't stop clocks.
I wish man tried run up on me like I run up in yards for the love and peace. OT my ching ching so fleeky, I was in a tea with a whap on me. How many men want me dead like 50? What smoke, I got it on me. My solicitor's telling me lay low, the arts will love if they hear free me. Drills get done on the mains, hey baby, don't want none of that fame. Do a drill, babe, couple have it, smile in my face like, how was your day? How many times did I change my number? Every time I use me, a gun or blade. And more time I got it on me, I'd have to be bad and I hope I babe. Wait, this guy they see my face, and every time the Olympic race. And I don't know nothing about running, ask my 10 toes up on the stage, babe. Slave only for a large Django, how the feds wanna see me caged. Then the day they free trap, zen gang, that's the last of the stress of my plate.
Strapped up in a Zuby, your homie ain't time to attack. Key up in a zoo, so that we clutching my niggas, they busting them bullets, they coming straight out of that roof. Push bikes and things, we hanging it off for the bed. Hop on and shoot, you know it's a mission. We dodging these piggies, they watching the way that we move. Watch the way that I lick shots. G-wing or that C-wing, slice it up like it's crisscross. We in the trap with them big rocks. Out of town getting trappy, call me sauce, so I flip rocks. The rolly glided on TikTok. Free the guys, they can't stop clocks.
What you know about constant trapping? And how grey ones wanna get slamming.
Balls are still with a rust got ratchet. Trap 24s, I don't know about scamming.
My geezer link told me I'm patting 2 bricks on cold, but it ain't no challenge.
How many times have I made man panic? 2 dots, I don't know about jamming.
What you know about constant trapping? And how grey ones wanna get slamming.
Balls are still with a rust got ratchet. Trap 24s, I don't know about scamming.
My geezer link told me I'm patting 2 bricks on cold, but it ain't no challenge.
How many times have I made man panic? 2 dots, I don't know about jamming. Let's go. It's 0010, they know. Last boss gang on a head. War, let me not talk. Cut this short, let's do this quick. I ain't tryna go court. Get round there on a blacked out horse. Me and bro just done that glide. You know we never felt no remorse. One day we're stepping out alive. Next day come cold like corpse. Should've been a Navy SEALs. The way that I jumped out and done them drills. Platform 7, send my young killie Quay with no brethren. Man's really tryna get bread in. See a boy act out, man, wet him. Return of the Asia Western. You can never survive from this weapon. Original hilly, don't be silly, I roll with a glizzy. Back then on the back of the jilly, I told that nitty to spin that quickly. Take that left and rev. Yo, I don't wanna see them feds.
What you know about constant trapping? And how grey ones wanna get slamming.
Balls are still with a rust got ratchet. Trap 24s, I don't know about scamming.
My geezer link told me I'm patting 2 bricks on cold, but it ain't no challenge.
How many times have I made man panic? 2 dots, I don't know about jamming.
What you know about constant trapping? And how grey ones wanna get slamming.
Balls are still with a rust got ratchet. Trap 24s, I don't know about scamming.
My geezer link told me I'm patting 2 bricks on cold, but it ain't no challenge.
How many times have I made man panic? 2 pop dots, I don't know about jamming.
Out here on a rusty one, I'm with B and this loaded. Back to the blocks trying to see these funds. Invest in waps, get burnt like scuds. Still doing that bando tug. Feds try raid, I ain't run out of luck. First time that we saw that pump, man Grow said he fell in love. To the bando act, I'm cuffed. How many packs have I ran through enough? Jokes on the look, oh well, it's tough. My Rambo's here, I ain't really trying to scuff. Got a yardie one, she always saying I'm a little cross. This interview room don't sing like an artist. Rambo knife trying to pull up and dart him. With the flicks on B is the darkest. Blacked out blades and a black face bastard. Brought down packs that craft art master. Try rob me, you can be a target. What you know about constant trapping? And how grey ones wanna get slamming. Make a young boy score on his debut. But it's not like Marcus Rashford.
Duck, FPG, you don't wanna make ITV. I'm labeled the IC3, but labels know my signing fee. I wanna spray for breeze, but let me leave that to the streets. Director of my team, 2 hands on the cannon, let's make a scene. But call me Kevin, caught in a bando, I was home alone. I did it all for the door, so I get active. When I hear that phone, they don't get active. When they hear about smoke, like cinnamon, roll. I run and get bait when I back this pole. One man step, I do it with bro. They don't wanna see smoke, they're cowards. This corn don't grow like flowers. I've been in town for hours, I might set up in abandoned houses. Flicky, near Calvin's. I got this food, let me out it. They said put your bread where your mouth is. So all day long I'm shouting. I get the drop, I know what to do. Get a thing that blows like flutes. Made a bad one bring that through. She said, throw it back, like that. I said, babe, can you see them news? She said, please. If I get the drop, I know what to do. Get a thing that blows like flutes. Made a bad one bring that through. She said, throw it back, like that. I said, babe, can you see them news? She said, please. Look, I got a sweet one from them ways. I said, bring a baddie for M-face. I done taught man how to chop down bricks. I feel like a bando sensei. I done taught man how to work in traps. I gave them a bando template. Lit, that way. She said, Fizz, how we hitting it that way? Cause I got a bottle of Henny, messy. She fell in love with my dick game. Tell the labels it's payday. Low soul, just check with the stats say. I'm a baller, Paris that way. Splash racks, I feel like Mbappe. I got a thing for a slim waist, but I love when it rips that blade blades. Car one them in pots like noodles. I mean, I don't care about YouTube. I can't let him pass like through balls. Come here, I've been bad since old school. Got a bad one for my old school. And I'm trying to hit cause it's cultural. She wanna stay, can't let her like postals. Baby, the boss stop flow. If I get the drop, I know what to do. Get a thing that blows that flutes. Made a bad one, bring that through. She said,
We glide, that's normal procedure. This time I got a drop from a fox, so you know it was way more easier.
Got keys to the whack, Alicia. They ain't got lungs to firm this shisha.
Bad B called Keisha. Give it this D, make a moan like Lisa.
I got on me, that's normal procedure. We glide, that's normal procedure. This time I got a drop from a fox, so you know it was way more easier.
Got keys to the whack, Alicia. They ain't got lungs to firm this shisha.
Bad B called Keisha. Give it this D, make a moan like Lisa.
I got on me, that's normal procedure. Boys get cut, scissors, Galleon, Gankoi, public figures. Man, I get wet, rivers, 1-2's pepper, 8 for delivers. Don't throw up peas in pictures, now he sees me when he looks in mirrors. Shank glued on me like stickers, dancing a rainbow ski doing flickers. OT, where I get this squat, got chop, cause he got that drop. Stop, I just need one lap pop. Shank on my lap, I ain't talking talk. I ain't got time for these beanies. She looks so sweet, diabetes, drink martinis, and she often bikinis. I can't talk to Jake from Tweenies.
Your friend's in a coffin, and he's in the zoo, I'm coughing. Wanna feel blade of the band, you got options, say you're mash. Have you lost it? It don't make sense if it don't make profit. Got splashed in the head, I think little man's in need of a bonnet. Give me a drop anytime I'm on it. Drop that Dutch just like just gets late, don't lack in a strip. That fat shit lacked and got himself dip. All for some chicken and chips. The man get niggas start writing scripts. 307 off the wing, triple. I did. He ran in the shop and he felt my kitch.
We glide, that's normal procedure. This time I got a drop from a fox, so you know it was way more easier.
Got keys to the whack, Alicia. They ain't got lungs to firm this shisha.
Bad B called Keisha. Give it this D, make a moan like Lisa.
I got on me, that's normal procedure. We glide, that's normal procedure. This time I got a drop from a fox, so you know it was way more easier.
Got keys to the whack, Alicia. They ain't got lungs to firm this shisha.
Bad B called Keisha. Give it this D, make a moan like Lisa.
I got on me, that's normal procedure.
Bad B from Kennerton, far from elegant. She wants my love like medicine. They ain't bad, it's evident. Ops are relevant, bros OT like an immigrant. I got nicked in cells, regretting it. Life I live, my mum ain't getting it. Back my thing, see them start setting it. Them 5 look fixed, start spreading it.
Man's gonna keep up, you ain't getting no breather. I got him, wet him, normal procedure. Winter time cold, man, keep me a heater. Also hoes, man, they saving E. Location on, that was a teaser. Pull up and squeeze here, well known squeezer. I trust my bro, but my right hand's mean. Time 2 on mains, called that one a screamer.
Bad B from Hackney, but she can't hack me. And the pagans don't hack beef. She lets me get tappy, can we get tappy? I love ride out back tracky. Change clothes so the feds can't trap me. It won't meet officer on the back street. If you talk on my name, come catch me. And these girls in my bars, come catch you.
Let me tell you something, see this life kinda fucked. Anyone can be an undie, anyone can be a op. Wanna stay free, but you gotta keep it tucked. More time on about, man, I can't be slipping up. Can't afford to slip, gonna get like me, really pull up on drops. I'ma tape it, all white spare and shit. Did it run a run, bro, turn that off.
Tryna stack in a shirt like Messi, glad and get nicked, no belt. Still got strands, big one, go bang like that's a 12 gauge with 100 belts. I was 13 with a flick, tryna change my face, put in man true hell. Hit 15 with a inch and this, got bored with this girl. 15 with it, Bruce my song that well. Ain't fuck, I don't know about pressure. Since my ops are boring girls. Hella K's get thrown on us, but nobody's been came from the 12. And I still put my wrist, black strap, chain dead, and I fucking in hell. And I still do jump up, bait, and he face my clock, have to get shaved. Cause this beef can't settle, no wait till one of them breathe. On sack back this and weave, get close before this ski. Fuck, do how we done to beats, jump off, get fit, but he's bleeds. And I see grown men turn gentle and leave rentals in that ship of a bad team. Perfect example, he tried fly out the ride, got splashed at no back chat, hop out the box like Jack, big 2-4 with that and the tap man, no Pac-Man and my bro gets booted. I'm clueless like bro, did I do this? No moving, if I jump or fuck it, you know I'm pursuing. And since they want talk about scores, let's talk about scores, so the niggas been bored. It's a fuck, I can mention more. The old boss tired, that boy and he snores. Mr. MH, your bitch, your door, bend her over, fuck that all fours. Rock her back quick, make her scream more. If she's on me, but G-tip, make her scream. To the but G-tip, make her scream. To the
What's that?
Swing it, cause that's my best friend, that's my best friend. Put 3 in a clip like Weston, cause that's my best friend, that's my best friend. Can't step into Northwest, and if I can't get you, then I get your brethren. Get round, get trying to teach them a lesson. With my best friend, with my best friend. Lean, swing it, cause that's my best friend, that's my best friend. Put 3 in a clip like Weston, cause that's my best friend, that's my best friend. Can't step into Northwest, and if I can't get you, then I get your brethren. Get round, get trying to teach them a lesson. With my best friend, with my best friend. Jump out, gang, I beg you don't panic. Only thing that would pop is smoke of the bridge, your pills, I ain't talking Xanax. How many times go bring it and bang it? How many times I tap it and slap it? Tryna catch a pack, but the king kept jamming. Should've cleaned that hand team properly, man team would've been a deadly booting.
First day that we got that drop on the us bro for out there rooting, speeding. I don't know nothing about cruising, shooting. If it ain't that man, juice him. I ain't gotta speak with the drills we done. I ain't gotta mention the guys we touch. How many times I slide to the up block with a dot, try to turn man off. Slap them sweets inside of this gang, fly out of the sea when them cherries drop. First time that I grip that PLT, you know it was peak, I let that lean, swing it. Cause that's my best friend, that's my best friend. Put 3 in the clip like Weston, cause that's my best friend, that's my best friend. Can't step into Northwest and if I can't get you, then I get your brethren. Get God, get you to teach them a lesson. With my best friend, lean, swing it. Cause that's my best friend, that's my best friend. Put 3 in the clip like Weston, cause that's my best friend, that's my best friend. Can't step into Northwest and if I can't get you, then I get your brethren. Get God, get you to teach them a lesson. With my best friend, Stuck in the trap, can't tell me about graph. I've been in the tizzy for more than a week or not even had no bath. Jump on the ride and Clark, then back to a petrol bath. Young boy in a trap with a half. Dash that up, you gotta finish that fast. Well, now they ain't let bro free. They're trying to keep his name in the past. Either way, man still alert now, normal. You best run if you see me with a mask. Oh no, if you ever trip up, shit special with a big man's last. Real bad boy since school beef, same way I run a man down in class. Bad B like a Latin familia. I think that her name was Amelia. More time when we buck into ops, we're making them be that they got hemophilia. Whip that skank to the up to a dreamer. No rap cat, real trap stack, drug dealer. Brat back, double tap that, then wheel up. Run through squares, can't read on the Nina. But this a Tina, one Ted Dina. K to the B, man, them throw Caesar. Whack on my waist, grab that Tamfila. Don't know, but the 999 is Nina. Let her beat once like lean, swing it. Cause that's my best friend, that's my best friend. Put 3 in the clip like Weston, cause that's my best friend, that's my best friend. Can't step into Northwest and if I can't get you, then I get your brethren. Get God, get you to teach them a lesson. With my best friend,
Rules in this car go round while I drive around town, just me and my mates. Actually, I'm known to be beauty's babe, no basement, say my name. This bad B on the knees from Quay, no case, but she came in for band, okay. Out with the white grinding all day, got shot by a cage, but just bought Jakes. Yo, I'm trying to pack off these beauty shootings, and no ups, they losing. Selection of guns, man, choose it. It's a hand tip, man, choose it. Gang jump out, it's way more than a bruising. You can't link me to these shootings. Yo, they see me and they keep it moving, and I get on the gag, little man, don't lose. Off you, one sports on Tuesdays, hit the off block, and we just let's do it in two. Joe from Coops, band okay, loose screws. Blacked out on the 9 with Duke, we're looking at like one man who's 2. You see once on the go, one room, now she's up in my DM, going on cute. Civilians get out the way, you don't wanna get hit for these knockoff kids. Run man down, bro, day with a shave. Chick man start, then smile on my face. Bad beat, drops the back in your brain. Hold up, wait, so got shades. Take that day, gonna jump up, gang to the blow man's face. He man gets Rambo, long like Grace. He got chefed up and he got shaved. They never read back, like what can I say? Make the up, don't talk to my name, don't talk to my name, don't talk to my name.
CW, what's the move, man?
Hey, listen. I told bro that we're going on a glide tonight. Grip a shank and don't make excuses. I roll with drillers and trappers. I can't hang round bare niggas, that's useless. They say they got teeth in the whack, but everyone knows that their whap is toothless. Get it. Ride to the niche, you're clueless. Crash straight back like nigga, you stupid. Grip your tools and use it. I ain't the one to be lying in music. Never. You got ideas in your head, but that light won't work when I burst your fuses. All my bros are ruthless, and all of my ops are losing. Yo, I don't understand how my ops give chat, like all of that shit's confusing.
I had about 5 gal in the band, no watching band, no just chop that work. If you see it, it's put on alert. Back is then go berserk. Skirt reverse, jump up first, but alert's telling me that he jumped out first. All bells in a manual purge, in the purge will jump out and lure. I'm on a go when I'm ready and steady. One in the head, he ain't giving no lookies. The man always run when the gang get quiffy. Do it like Tom when he dust down cherry. My man slick got one in the drift and drop. Jump up, gang creeps, tap that gently. Look in his eyes, he ain't been trim.
They do it for the snap and views. I'm different, I do it cause I got my Bruce. Back up my blade, ching down my man. They think it's steg, they don't know who's. Back that strap, then blaze fry man. Tell bro, make sure you choose like you. Rise that stick when the street needs cleaning. The pigs know this ain't no average broom. This ain't no average broom. Dotties and hantings all spill juice. I spy on them, then leave no clues. Do it in twos when shh got ching. Hold up, let me not chat too loose. Custom juice got spilled is blatant. HMP dust plugs in faces. Riding basics got my mad. Facts, I pray that I bust them cases. No cap when we shoot at faces. Bro, boot that Mac, better dodge that lace. If not, better sing them graces. Bro, boot that Mac, better dodge that lace. If not, better sing them graces. How many times we rid on pagans? DY and the rider Satan. Can't believe that I'm beefing. Writing statements that niggas mistaken. My team's established, rated, most hated in the hood is blatant. Get round there, it's vacant. Frustrated cause I really wanna tape it. They act for the net, but shit gets mixed when we flip the script like we're pages.
You're gonna look like you're pinning when we inject this metal in your veins. It was me, ZK and Stains. I put Harry Bowes in the candy cane. Don't get caught when you're en route yard car. You'll be en route veer. With the reason your ends is flames. With the reason you're taking chase. There's that 4-man pack. How the fuck could you be on chattings? Enough times I saw ST splashing, swinging his Yankee erratic. In the field like Crystal Palace. All of the goals that happen. Match day we used to go to the souk, but we used to go house for target practice. Pull up, they all get smoked like Benson's. Ride for your friends, stop killing pedestrians. Gangs got straps like lesbians. Why I think I was on the wing like Lennon? Melo's in jail, still throwing up 7th. The judge just gave him a 9+7. If I stick man up broad day, I don't need credit, just snatch man's pendant. 30 man ran from 4 and 20 pence cut from 5. I was 16 with a 3-2 on me. R said bang it if the pagans ride. I had the shiny bells inside. A year before I got grabbed with a 9. I had a 9x2 in drawers. The young boys active, letting them fly.
41 gelato, yeah, we smoking on your homies. Codeine in my veins, I can feel it flowing. Why these niggas sitting here, but they steady folding. Riding off these meds, but this ain't no rollins. We them young wild niggas in these trenches posted. And we rolling, toting, niggas know this. And we loaded, hoping that you get open. Gelato in the air, these niggas choking. He spying your block and stretching, nigga doing yoga. These folks ain't never seen no big boy on a rover. Lean coma, cold-hearted, heart froze up. That's your main bitch, yeah, she probably know us. I'm balls on that wing, cutting niggas like his name was Coleman. But hold up, you thought this shit was over, but it ain't over. I'm trying to get this money in and get my dough up. With this drip from Milan, now she wanna blow us. Little nigga talking crazy, you don't really know us. I'm chasing off the Benjis, yeah, I'm getting closer. Yeah, I'm grinding on my very own for October. Keep my foot on the gas, baby, minimal art. Taking risk poker, we pull up and bang, but this ain't no Sosa, no, this ain't no Sosa. Ain't no Sosa, ain't no Sosa, ain't no Sosa. 41 gelato, yeah, we smoking on your homies. Codeine in my veins, I can feel it flowing. Why these niggas sitting here, but they steady folding. Riding off these meds, but this ain't no rollins. We them young wild niggas in these trenches posted. And we rolling, toting, niggas know this. And we loaded, hoping that you get open. Gelato in the air, these niggas choking.
They will leave you choking, tell her baby hold this. Remo by my side, they will leave you open. I'll be in the focus, 30 fully loaded. Oscar on my case, always where my home is. I got Oscar on my case. I done a draw and left no trace. I caught it twice and beat my case. I told mommy I'm okay. She always asks me if I'm safe. Of course I am, I got my blade. I got me hella problems that I'm mounting. Run up on me, I'ma show you that I'm bout it. Water where I got it dripping like a fountain. I hit it once and then you know that Richie's bouncing. Trap yard where I'm bagging up my ounces. If she a Jessie then she can't know where my house is. No, she can't. She know that Richie doesn't dance. Why you think I never turn up to the dance?
41 gelato, yeah, we smoking on your homies. Codeine in my veins, I can feel it flowing. Why these niggas sitting here, but they steady folding. Riding off these meds, but this ain't no rollins. We them young wild niggas in these trenches posted. And we rolling, toting, niggas know this. And we loaded, hoping that you get open. Gelato in the air, these niggas choking.
First pull up, put my hood up. Mask on my eyes, can't remember my face. I'm in a gaucho's date with Bay. Flicks to the left, near the pepper stay. Oh, it's uptown, think she in love, now I'm blowing her back when she says my name. And my bro's got his wrist on bust down, he ain't even know about a mortgage claim. I remember them nights in a walkout, smart young weed, I don't know about top down. Got a drop now, think I'm insane. Left that soul looking rouge and beige. And the up-way brass like copper. 3 AI, 3 bow, 3 chopper. Felton workshop is hot now. Brick on the sock, put his head on bust down. Water. Spend a jib on the mouth, try drip like water. FaceTime in the soul with a hooker. Off that pipe, put that pussy on water. Real bad boys make it drip like water. So I told her booze, no cap. I did it in jail, drench him like water. Drip like water. If I bang this dots, I ain't bathing in water. Water. Guns on the freeze outside trying to lock my quarters. And I just got an ass off Abti. Need me cigar, so pass me a quarter. Canteen sheet, no Gary. Trying to get game, so it's all some water. I lock my door, look, bust. I've been banging this stool for the longest time, trying to summon a gov. And I ain't had a shower, so I flood my sink with water and dove. And it's checks at 9 when I bust my flat, I just hide my mash. Water. Number 2 to the count, that's water. I was stuck in a dirty block. Came out to a portion sauna. Next door can't ride that block, just shitty these cells, gonna smell that odor. Youngest in charge on the wing, still hitting them shots like I'm Jason Walker. Youngest in charge on the strip, I did it with weed that crack that Yola. Whip that work, plug in church, we'll juice the holy water. I did man first, clap that nerd, I'm sitting in block like a loner. Whip that work, plug in church, we'll juice not holy water. I spill juice not holy water. water. Spin a jib with the monks, I drip like water. FaceTime in the cell with a hooker. Off that pipe, put up juicy on water. Real bad boys make a drip like water. So I told her booze, no cap. I did it in jail, drench him like water. Drip like water. If I bang this dots, I ain't bathing in water. Water. Govs on the freeze outside tryna lock my quarters. And I just got an ass off Abti. Need me cigar, so pass me a quarter. Can't in street, no Gary. Tryna get gas, so it's tryna get some water.
Yeah. My case just got adjourned again, I'm just waiting on my new date. If it was anyone else, they would've thrown it out, but I think it's cause I'm just bait. We're just children from dumb estates. Some see realness and some see fake, huh? Slow down, baby girl, slow down. Till built and brown. You don't wanna get found in Kentish town. I was in and out towns. On brown, I was giving out brown. Giving out prescriptions. I was all 25 in prison with 25 convictions. You ever seen a bad boy turn victim?